subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Realme has launched its new smartphone under GT series globally called Realme Gt Neo 2 with a cool looking design. Talking about the specifications, the Realme Gt Neo 2 features a 6.62-inch Full HD Plus E4 AMOLED display with up to 120Hz dynamic refresh rate and 600Hz touch sampling rate. The screen supports 1300 nits of peak brightness and it is HDR10+ certified. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 chipset paired with Adreno 650 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of RAM, which is expandable up to 7GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. In terms of camera, the Realme Gt Neo 2 supports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 64MP main camera with f1.8 aperture, plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 119° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone can capture up to 4K videos at 60 frames per second, and it has Ultra Steady Mode feature for anti-shake video recording. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.5 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with Realme UI 2.0 skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 65W fast charging. For gaming, the company has added GT Mode 2.0 feature for better performance, and it includes stainless steel vapor cooling plus system that helps to reduce the phone temperature in extreme conditions. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with Dolby Atmos plus high-res audio system for better sound experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.9 by 75.8 by 8.6mm and it weighs around 200 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme Gt Neo 2 has been priced in India for 8GB plus 120GB storage variant at 31,999 Indian rupees, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 35,999 Indian rupees, and it will be available at a discount of 7,000 Indian rupees for a limited period of time. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from October 17th in Neo Green, Neo Blue and Neo Black color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme Gt Neo 2 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.